Today I will be showing how to dismantle a refurbished HP Z800 WorkStation. This refurbished unit comes with the following specifications. First, you need to take off the left side panel to reveal the interior of the system. Then, remove both the airflow guide. Remove the top airflow guide as shown. And next remove the bottom airflow guide as follows. Now, remove the power supply unit by lifting the lever. Do ensure you have unplugged the power cable beforehand. Next is to remove the memory fan by pressing the two clips and slowly lift it up. To remove the hard drive, just simply press the lever to unlock the handle and slowly pull up the handle. Follow the same steps for the rest of the hard drive in the bays. To remove the front system fan retainer, we need to unclip the graphics power connectors first and then unplug the fan's connectors. Then we press both the levers to release the front fan retainer. Give it a slight of wiggle and slowly pull out the retainer. To remove the graphics card, lift the green lever retainer as shown. Then unlock the graphics card slot's green clip and slowly pull up the card. A slight of wiggle may required but not too hard, to avoid damaging the slots and the graphics card. Next is to remove the rear system fan. These fans are mounted together on a plate. First we need to unplug the fan's connector, then we need to unscrew these screws as shown. Once all the screws have been removed, slightly push the fans outward to the rear to remove it. A slight wiggle may be needed. Now, to remove the right panel cover, we need to lay it down first. Then we need to remove the right feet trim, if it's there. Now, we can push the cover panel forward or downward. The cover might be very hard to unlock, as such a slight use of force is required to push it. Just don't force pry it open as the panel is pushed into lock. Once the right panel is opened, it will reveal few screws to remove the front panel bezel. Just remove these screws and slowly push outward of the front bezel to remove it. Now you can start cleaning all those remove parts, such as fans and graphics card. I will also recommend to clean the processor's thermal compound too and refresh it with brand new thermal compound. Use a vacuum cleaner if required.
Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. It will be a great motivation for me.